Founded in 1777, Powhatan County is named for historic Chief Powhatan, the paramount chief of the Powhatan Confederacy, the largest group of Native American tribes in colonial Virginia. Agriculture was the top industry when it was first settled around 1700, and it remains the top sector today, even as suburban development creeps closer.
A lot of people like to say that Powhatan is a bedroom community for Richmond, which then provides a large area, a large number of consumers that would then eat your products. Some of our producers have really taken advantage of that, but then we also have a large number of producers that have stayed true to their roots and continued their family operations in more of a traditional commercial agriculture sense.
A community of 28,000 plus people with 350,000 in Chesterfield County sitting on our eastern border. You don't maintain that type of population and equity forever. And so it's really a question at Powhatan of how to maintain part of what we view as our rural heritage, at the same time accommodate places for people who want to come see us.
With 34,585 acres under cultivation on 263 farms, Powhatan is still an important farm community in Virginia. Producers here sell almost $11.4 million worth of crops and livestock each year, with livestock accounting for $8.7 million of that total. 103 farms raise beef cattle. There are 54 poultry operations, 13 sheep farms, and 10 hog farms. Corn, soybeans, and wheat are also raised here, and 123 farms raise forage for cattle and horses. The equine industry employs 131 people and contributes more than $6.2 million in sales each year. There are also 6 commercial vegetable farms and numerous smaller operations in Powhatan County.
Horses is huge in the county, not only from a training, instructing, show competition, recreational, pleasure riding, very important. And we have multiple 4-H clubs that revolve around our horse and ponies.
Other examples are asparagus, which is just starting to come in, and there's virtually no asparagus raised in America anymore. 95% of it is offshore. And so we raise fresh asparagus. We will move then into our shiitake mushrooms. We'll have some spring potatoes that'll come in June. Our berries, black and blueberries, will come in. Our early high tunnel tomatoes will start the end of June. Then we'll move into kind of standard summer crops. And then specialty watermelons, specialty sweet potatoes, and then we'll end up with turmeric and ginger, 3 different varieties of ginger. The ginger goes into the alcohol folks. Okay, we have beer producers, we have mead producers, and we have people who produce cider.
A number of Powhatan County farm families can trace their history back more than a century. County Farm Bureau President Max Timberlake is one of them. Working with local political leaders, the Farm Bureau is striving to strike a balance between the coming growth and their farming heritage. The good news is the next generation of Powhatan residents is very interested in agriculture.
Our 4-H and FFA students have all grabbed on to this idea. And Powhatan has had to add ag teachers because students are so interested in getting into agricultural fields. So we're now up to 4 ag teachers at the high school.
Like all Virginia farmers, Powhatan County producers take good care of their land. Wilson DeNoon has seen his cattle operation thrive the past few years after he implemented scientific methods for improving his cattle genetics and protecting his water supplies.
Yeah, I rotate graze now. And when the cows hear me coming, they'll run to the gate and I can flip them from pasture to pasture. And it depends on the weather of how often I rotate them. Yeah, but that's a big part. And it's better the creek. The creeks are clean. The creeks look natural again. It didn't take but like 3 to 4 years, they're back to the natural look. I'm a century farm, and this land's been farmed by my family for way over 100 years. And my dad's 88 years old, and I can go out to pasture with my dad and look at the cows, and that's the same thing my great-grandfather and my grandfather did 100 years ago on the same piece of land, the same place.
Bounded by the James River to the north and the Appomattox River to the south, farming has always been in Powhatan County's DNA. Producers here are adapting to change in order to keep that tradition alive and well for many years to come. In Powhatan County, Virginia, I'm Dave Miller.